Good morning, big kids. Today I have a National Geographic magazine that I wanted to share with you. In this National Geographic magazine, there are two different stories that I want to read with you today. The first one is called A Home is a Habitat. And we're going to be reading and learning a little bit about the habitat. And then we're going to come to our second story, and it's called Great Pumpkin. All right, let's go ahead and get started. If you wanted to read this National Geographic magazine, you could also find it in Google Classroom under other resources. There's National Geographic magazine there. So we'll start with our first story. A habitat is a home.
Habitat is a home. Read.
There it goes. A habitat is a home. And this is the title here. And I know it's a title because these are the big words. Down here, the words are smaller, so that is not the title. Okay? Animals live in different places. They get what they need there. So you can see some of the different places that animals can live. All these different habitats. Each one is different and unique and offers different things to the animals. A mountain. A mountain is a high place. What animals live there? Let's see. A mountain lion. A mountain goat. Rainforest. A rainforest is a wet place. Trees and other plants grow there. Some of us live in a rainforest. We have tree frogs and toucans. Frogs look for bugs to eat. Toucans live in tall trees. So our tree frog here eats our insects, it tells us here. Looks for bugs to eat. So my text evidence, my words tell me that he eats insects or bugs. Desert. A desert is a dry place. It gets little rain. There's the woodpecker and the beautiful lizard. A woodpecker lives in a cactus. A lizard warms himself in the sun. So when I look around here, I don't see a lot of big trees for the bird to live in. So instead, it has adapted and it's living in the cactus. Ocean. An ocean is a large body of water. An ocean has salt water. I already see some animals there. What do you see? I see fish. What else lives in the ocean? A sea turtle or a honu. There's a seahorse. A sea turtle swims in the water. A seahorse looks for food. So their habitat or the place they live will help them to survive. Prairie. A prairie is a flat place. Flowers and grass grow there. Ooh, like we're gonna grow flowers. Grasshopper, prairie dog. A grasshopper rests on a flower. A prairie dog eats plants. And that is the end of the habitat is a home. The next one I want to share is short, but it's a good one.
Great pumpkins.
Why do you think I'm choosing to read this one? What have we been talking about?
Read.
I'm talking about plants. pumpkin is a plant. Look how big that pumpkin is. Whoa. I've never seen a pumpkin that big in real life. Great pumpkins. How do pumpkins grow? Let's find out. First, you plant pumpkin seeds. The best time is in the spring. The seeds sprout. Then a vine with flowers grow. Flowers turn into green pumpkins. The pumpkin turns orange in fall. Now they are ready to pick. So I want to show you my pumpkin. I'll be making another video. I was going to show you how I'm growing a pumpkin outside, and I actually harvest one to pick. So I am excited about that. So today in your journal, what I was thinking is we're going to write a sentence about something you saw in the story. Maybe you want to talk about the pumpkin. Maybe you want to talk about one of the animals in the different habitats that you saw. So in your journal, we're going to write the sentence, I see. I'm going to use a different piece of paper so I can write my sentence larger for you. So I remember my sentence starts with a capital letter. So I'm going to start with my capital I. To make my I, it's a touch pull down, pull across, pull across. I. For the next one, I'm going to write the next word. I'm going to leave a space. A space is a blank area where there's nothing, so it's white. Write the word see, and we just learned this S. Curve and curve. Try your best. Next comes an E. Pull across, curve it around. And we need one more E. Pull across, curve, curve it around. I see. And then you could ask your family to help you finish your sentence with what you see. And remember, a period goes at the end of our sentence to tell our readers we are done writing. What did you see today in our magazine? Maybe you want to tell me about the mountain lion or the mountain goat. We also had a tree frog and a toucan. Our woodpecker and our lizard. Our sea turtle and our seahorse. Our grasshopper and our prairie dog. So those were some of the animals we saw. Maybe you want to choose a plant that we saw. Maybe you want to write icy pumpkins. Maybe you even want to talk about something in the habitat that you see, like flowers. It's up to you. You can choose something that you saw in our story to write about. So I'll hold our sentence up again. And I will say goodbye. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Aloha.